The next award is Yildirim International Entrepreneurship Award. It is for innovative leadership in establishing, developing, and growing against all challenges, odds, risks, a sustainable business in environment, economy, and point of view. The award bears the name of Robert Yuksel Yildirim, an engineer and entrepreneur at the same time. And here at Manfred Mauntz, we have a founder and engineer and entrepreneur at the same time. Please.
This is a great honor for me. This comes unexpected, and I'm really surprised, and it gives me a warm feeling. I'm very close to cry.
You deserve. The engineers are always modest by nature. So here it is, Yildirim International Leadership Award, Entrepreneurship Award, Yildirim International Entrepreneurship Award. For innovative leadership in establishing, developing, and growing against all challenges, odds, and risks, a sustainable business in the environment, economic, and social point of view. The award bears the name of Robert Yildirim, a very successful businessman, engineer, and entrepreneur.